Second referee, Patrick Allen Esteve, national referee.
Let's now call the starters from your Zeus Golfing Thunderbirds.
Let's start off with jersey number 1, Michelle Gambit. Calling on their middle blocker, jersey number 3, Thea Nagata. Calling on their outside hitter, Chai Tongposo. Team captain, jersey number 8, Flo Mondenien. Jersey number 10, Chiki Arroyo. And completing the starting 6 is their veteran, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Libero is number 14, Dolly Versosa. And their head coach is the ever-smiling